probably one of the most important pieces of equipment of a DJ is the vehicle that you drive, and it is important that you keep that vehicle in tip-top conditions because it needs to be reliable, it needs to carry all the equipment. And quite often when people are doing these gig logs and equipment reviews, they never actually talk about the vehicle that they are driving. So I've just done a quick video because I am actually selling this, and this is a Mitsubishi L200. It's a 2004, it's a 2.5 litre turbo diesel, and it's done 99,870 odd miles, so it's nearly up at the 100,000 K mark. And I've had this vehicle now for 5 years. It's never let me down. It's been great in the snow. Unfortunately, because of my other business that I run and the DJing as well, it's getting a bit tiresome having to unload it and reload it every time I want to do a gig. So this is the reason I am selling it. It's also because it's too long and big for me to pretty much park anyway. So I really need to get a van, and consider getting a van that's bigger, that can carry some of the tools that I need to operate my other property maintenance business. Plus then I don't really have to unload everything to get the DJ equipment in the back if I'm doing a gig at the weekend. So really I need to think about what I'm doing with the vehicle now. So if I was just doing the DJing, it'd be fine. I'd probably keep it. If I had another vehicle and could afford to run 2 vehicles, then I would probably just buy a van and just do it that way. So yeah, this is my L200. Like I say, it's for sale. I'll drop a link down below of the eBay link where I'm selling it and how much I want for it, and there's other details in there. It does come with a full MOT on it, and it will obviously last another 100,000 miles, because the ones I've been looking at to get an idea of how to price it have gone way over 100,000 K. When I bought it, it had 56,000 miles on it. It had a full service history. It had some of the history behind it. It had all the MOT certificates and everything. I don't know what I've done with them at that chat. Actually, there's a bit of a controversy of where they are, and I won't go into details about that. But yeah, that's my L200, and that is for sale. So if you want to buy it, if you want to ask any questions, to put some comments in below, or just check out the eBay link. Thanks for watching.